Hello and welcome to my Google Slides Advanced Certification video. In this video, I'll show you my science fair project. But before we start, I'll present it to you. Science Fair Web Project by Aahaan. So there are three options. There's coral reef, water creatures and exit. So first let's start with water creatures. Water creatures. Water creatures are marine life like plants, animals and other organisms that live in the ocean. It is a curious situation that the sea, from which life first arose, should now be threatened by the activities of one form of that life. But the sea, though changed in a sinister way, will continue to exist. The threat is rather to life itself, by Rachel Carson, who is a marine biologist. This is a video, this is an explainer about marine life, so you will not be able to hear it. So you can watch it later. So now I'll go back to the choosing slide. I'll present again. Coral reef. So coral reefs. Coral reefs are diverse ecosystems held together by calcium carbonate structures secreted by corals. About their needs and uses. So the importance of coral reefs include protecting coastlines from damaging effects of waves and tropical storms and so on. There are many uses, but I'm just telling you one. Scientists have discovered that many parts of a coral reef can be harvested to make medications to treat cancers and other illnesses. So for more information on coral reefs, click here. This is a link that leads to a blog which answers what are coral reefs. So you can read it later, but right now let's go back to my presentation. This is a video. This is an explainer about coral reefs. So I'll just show you. Again, you won't. But let's go back. And now I'll show you the last, that is the third option, present. So this is exit. So if I click on exit, it asks me, are you sure? I can choose yes or I can choose no. So right now I'll choose yes. So it says thanks. Any questions? You can find me at aahaanfatness@gmail.com. But I'll just go back there. If I choose no, it takes me back to the slide where I can choose if I want to learn something new or just exit again. So create a Google Slides presentation with minimum 10 slides. I have shown you that. In the first slide, there are three options. I've shown you the three options. On selecting the first option, it will show water creatures and information about that. And selecting the second option will show the coral reef information. Then the content should be presented with images, videos if available. So I'll just show you. These are GIFs, which are basically moving images. Then these are normal images, which I have many normal images here. And I have two videos, one for marine life and one for coral reefs. So at the end, it can redirect to the first slide from which the student can select another option. So as I've already shown you that, if I want to click on no or yes, and then share the slide presentation. So let me just show you how to share. So you can go, I'll just go into advanced. As you can see, I already have shared it to one person. So to share it to other people, you have to type the email address or what you've named them. And you can give them permission whether to edit, comment or view. So right now I won't send it, and also you can send a copy to yourself. So after I click send, it will send a copy to me. But right now I'll click on cancel. Applying themes or templates. So in this presentation, I've chosen a theme from the web. I found it on the web. But if you want to add a theme that's pre-existent, you can choose it from here. There are many themes, but I found this one online, so you won't be able to find it here. Add headers and footers in master slide. So it is not possible to add headers and footers. So all I did was add a line, write footer, add another line, say header. Then apply formatting to the content. I've added a lot of formatting, like the text formatting, the image formatting, like putting it in a note, like an image inside a note. Then adding images, shapes, videos, and links. I've shown you the images, the videos, and the links. That is the link that led to the blog. But now I'll show you the shapes. So there's this slide which I haven't shown you yet, and I wanted to show it later. This one. It's called Conservation is Easy. First, start with yourself. Help reduce pollution. Walk, ride, bus, fossil fuel emissions. They can lead to ocean warming, which causes mass bleaching of corals and will lead to widespread destruction of reefs. Second, spread the word. Tell it to anybody you know. And then at last, it'll lead to your efforts being paid off. And as you can see, these three are shapes which I have added so that I can type inside them and it looks like first, then second, then last. Next is to add transitions and animations. So to add animation, we have to click on Insert and Animation. So as you can see, it says Slide Fade. Basically, transitions are animations applied to the slide. So I'll just show you transitions. If I choose slide from right, this is how it looks. I can choose slow, medium, or fast. So now it's fast. But I'll just choose fade and apply and say apply to all slides. Now wherever I go, it'll show fade. So in animations, you have to choose anything. Let's say this text box and say add animation. It'll say fade in on click, or there are many options, fly in, zoom in, etc. etc. Then last is the share feature, which I've already explained to you. So thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video.